Hi guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application. Let's check how to find the most prevalent and popular tags and interests of people on TikTok. So guys, if you are the TikTok creator, you will definitely like this video because we will show you how to find the most popular requests of people in this application. So we are on the profile page and let's go to the friends section because we are interested in the search bar. So this is our search history, but let's check this section you may like. And guys, this is the most popular keywords on TikTok right now today, even if they have these red dots opposite. So guys, when you go to the hashtag, you will find the most popular topic on TikTok for today, for this moment, and this is very cool option because if you are the TikTok creator, you can find and record very interesting TikTok with this tag, and I'm sure that you will get a lot of new followers and likes. So guys, if this guide was useful, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channel to check other instructions and tutorials about the TikTok and other programs. Bye guys! Good luck!